how to add a non-Steam game on your Steam application. So for example, these are the games which are on Steam. So I want to add a game which is not on Steam, but I have this on my computer. For example, this game, I have this on my computer, and unfortunately I don't have this on Steam. So I want to open this game here so that I can take the advantage of Steam. So how am I supposed to do that? So first you have to go to this game option, top left corner. Here you will find a game option, tap the game, and here you will find add a non-Steam game to my library. Tap here. So once you are in this section, you will find all your application, all the games from here. So for example, I was trying to add the game Red Dead Redemption. So I can't see the game here, but if you don't see the game, just have to simply tap browse, and let me select my game. So this is where the my game was. So this is the game. Just have to select the game and press open. So once you have done it, press add, select OK, and now I'm pretty sure my game will be in this list. There you go. So this is the game. So this is a game which is not on Steam, but I have added it on my Steam application. So yeah, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.